Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a BMW M4 in Southwest Florida. First, identify authorized BMW dealerships in the region, such as those in Fort Myers or Naples. Next, establish a clear budget, considering both purchase price and potential running costs. Think about whether a new model or a certified pre-owned M4 best fits your needs and financial plan. This initial research will streamline your search significantly. Once you have a clear idea, browse the online inventories of local BMW dealerships. Look for specific M4 trims, colors, and features that match your preferences. When you find promising options, schedule test drives to experience the car firsthand. For any pre-owned M4, it's highly recommended to arrange a pre-purchase inspection with an independent mechanic to ensure its condition. Before finalizing your purchase, secure financing pre-approval. This gives you a strong negotiating position at the dealership. Be prepared to negotiate the M4's purchase price and any potential trade-in value for your current vehicle. Carefully review all documentation, including additional fees, taxes, and available warranty packages to avoid surprises. Don't rush the process. After successful negotiations, you'll complete the final paperwork with the dealership. Ensure all details are accurate and that you understand every clause. Before driving off, confirm you have adequate insurance coverage for your new M4. Finally, remember to handle the vehicle registration and title transfer promptly according to Florida's Department of Motor Vehicles requirements. Enjoy your new BMW M4.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.